So on this one, the ducting was upside down and it's actually flanged in the wrong direction for airflow because the airflow is going in this direction. But I'm not going to tear out the ductwork or cut it or put any adapters. So sealing it really good, making sure there's no air leaks going around, using your pokey, and of course you have to use food grade low VOC water stuff, and make sure, because we're in a place that handles food products for pharmaceuticals, so everything has to be approved for odors, VOCs, and around food. All right, so this is one getting done. We're just we're going to take care of this mess out here, and this is our next mess fix up right here. My son's working over on that side, and yeah, that's it. Let's get this nice, straight and tight and off the ground.